Today in this video, we're going to do some, I would say, exploring stuff in Tailwind. So just want to know what it takes to, yeah, so to actually add dark mode in the app. So let's just check that out. Tailwind, add dark mode. Okay, so dark mode. How do they do this? You can style your site in dark mode, light mode, dark mode. BG white, BG black. Okay, so now what I need to do is, okay, so I need to toggle something. And when I toggle something, this dark mode will be enabled. More content, I wish the dark version of your website to go along with the default design. To make this as easy as possible, Tailwind includes a dark variant that lets you style your site differently when dark mode is enabled. But how do I enable the dark mode? Okay, by default, this uses CSS media feature, but you can also build site support toggle dark manually using class strategy. Instead of relying on the operating system. Oh, so okay, so you have either the operating system or you have you can toggle it manually. System preference, use the class strategy instead of the media strategy. What media strategy? Class. Now instead of dark class, stuff will be applied whether dark class is present earlier in the HTML tree. Okay, you set a prefix in your table context. Be sure to add the dark class. For example, if you have, okay, light went up more, as well as respecting the operating system preference. Okay, so it looks like based on local storage, I think it works. So okay, so that is the button. So that's it. All you have to do is in the local storage, you need to update, and based on that, it looks like it's going to update. But it'd be awesome if I had some kind of working example. It's just the old Tailwind version. So it's like based on this, it'll automatically change. How to enable? Switch theme, toggle dark mode. What? But it says Tailwind CSS. Would be awesome if there would be some code sandbox. But I think we need to do it manually in each and every place where we have background color or text. We have to manually add the dark mode variant as well. Don't think there's like an automatic way. It basically says wherever you have used, let's say BG white, it needs to be BG black. So not sure. Dark mode. Yep, this is exactly what I want. So if I go, this is readme public index.html. So when I click on this button, dark demo mode, toggle button, there you go. You have toggle button, and all it does is it toggles the class list to dark. And once that is done, you get the dark mode enabled. So you have normal BG, and then from if it's dark, you have the dark variant. So just we need to do this, and then in the Tailwind config, this is the color, yeah, dark mode class. So this is the one that basically toggles. Oh, it just toggles dark, but this basically tells is dark mode with the user preference or the browser preference. I think that is what they tell over here. So if it is doing it manually, then you need to have this dark mode class. But other than that, it looks pretty straightforward. So all you have to do is add this within your Tailwind config, and whichever button that toggles the dark mode, on the on click of that button, all you need to do is add this line of code. So we're basically toggling the body's class list to dark. So once that is done, wherever you have written this dark code, like dark background, it will enable all this instead of the default background color and so on. So yep, looks like that's it for how we can enable dark mode in Tailwind. So yep, not sure I'll be implementing this now in the app because it looks like a lot of work, because everywhere in the app I need to add this particular dark variant. Need to find a way if this can be done globally. So yep, I'll look into that. But yep, that's it for now. That's how you enable dark mode in Tailwind. So yep, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.